it's Miss Devereaux, and it is time to get a center done. To do this center, we're going to need a pencil and this paper. Okay. We have lots of circles on our paper and pictures on them. We are going to work on beginning sounds. All right, so let's get ready. Our first picture is an apple. Apple. What does apple start with? Apple. Right, an A. I would like you to make a lowercase a right there. Make a lowercase a. Good job. All right, the next picture we're going to go to is the net. Net. What does net start with? Right, N. So I'd like you to make a lowercase n under the net. Straight line and a big hump. Net. N. All right, let's go to the volcano. Volcano. What does volcano start with? V. Let's put a lowercase v under the volcano. Down and up. Remember, we're pulling all of our letters down and up. All right, let's go back up to the top. B. What does bumblebee start with? Bumblebee. You got it, a B. Straight line down, big circle. All right, let's go to this one. Hand. Hand. What does hand start with? Good job. H. Hand. So find your hand. You're going to pull the letter down and then make a hump. Hand. H. All right. The next one is zebra. Zzz. Who makes that Z sound? Zzz. You got it. Z. Zebra. Make a Z for zebra. Z. Your zebra's down on the bottom. Make a good Z. Z. Zebra. Z. All right. Our next picture is key. K. Right. K. So find your key. You're going to go down. You're going to go up a little, down a little. Key. Key. All right, key. Let's go back down towards the bottom here for watch. Who makes that w sound? W. And if we start at the top, where's that watch over here? Down, up, down, up. W. Watch. Nice work. All right. Our next one is a muffin. Muffin. What does muffin start with? Right. M. Let's make an M. Straight line. Hump. Hump. Make a nice M under muffin. Muffin. All right, let's go back up to the top. Let's do cat. Cat. Makes the k sound. C. Cat. Good job. C. All right, let's go to penguin. P. Makes that p. P. Find your penguin and make a P. Straight line and a hump. Penguin. P. All right. How about turtle? T. Turtle. Straight line down and across the middle. T, t, turtle. T, t, t. T, t, t. T, t, t. All right. How about X-ray? X, X-ray. You got it. X. Across and across. X-ray. Nice job. X-ray. All right. How about dog? Dog. D. So we're going to make that C and go straight up. Dog. D. Dog. Nice work. All right. How about leaf? Who makes the sound? You got it. L. Straight line. Leaf. 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 All right. How about sun? Sun. S. Sun. S. Where's our sun? S. Sun. S. All right. How about umbrella? Umbrella. U. Umbrella. Let's make a nice U under that umbrella. Umbrella. All right. How about yarn? Yarn. Yarn. Y. Nice work. Y. Make a nice Y under that yarn. Y. All right. Let's go back up to the top. Elephant. Elephant. You got it. E. Elephant. How about igloo? Igloo. You got it. I. Straight line and just a little dot. Not a big colored in circle. Igloo. Igloo. Okay, how about jar? Jar. Jar. J. Down and a little dot on the top for our lowercase j. Jar. Jar. Octopus. Octopus. You got it. An O. O for octopus. How about fox? You got it. F. Fox. And the fox is up there by that elephant. Fox. Fox. All right, how about queen? Q. Circle, down and under, and then a little hook. Do the best you can. Q. Queen. Q. Queen. And gorilla. G. Circle and hook it around. Gorilla. Gorilla. And we have one left. Ring. Makes that sound. You got it. An R. little baby hook on it. Ring. 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 All right, nice work. Ring. All right, now on the bottom, I want you to write your name. Put your name on the bottom of your paper. And then you can put it in the done pile. Good job, you got a center done. Nice job, guys.